Good morning, friends and family. Alright, so guess what? I have something pretty interesting for you. Not sure if it's a cruel joke, just to be very funny and humorous, but the people of Lithuania took it serious. The United Nations does not, though. Welcome to the Republic of Užupis. Alright, here is a micronation within the city of Vilnius itself. And about 7,000 people, inhabitants of the Užupis people, they believe it's real. It was founded 1998 on April 1st. You can come and get here April 1st, on Fool's Day, if you didn't know that. You can get your stamp for on your passport here, April 1st though. And they also have their own currency that flows on April 1st too, where all the shops, in order for you to buy something, you got to use the Užupis currency. Now, how is this place was born? Well, let's explore how that place became a whole idea.
We're the queens of the party. Working hard, yeah, we run things. If you wanna be with us, then say that.
So here's something I'll tell you. This place was founded by artists. So here's definitely an artist thing. It's a mindset. They had a standing army once. They even have a navy. They have 4 ships, but they also had a standing army. And this standing army, I think it was consisted of 10 or 11 people. They all went into retirement because there's no need to have an army. So there is an army. They just retired. So hopefully no threats to the Republic of Užupis will ever make them come out of retirement. Because retirement's pretty nice, especially being in the military. So this information piece right here talks about how this place was pretty much neglected. Now the whole city of Vilnius was going through a resurge of just say, what do you call it, gentrification, increasing the beautifulness of the capital after all the occupations from Germany and Soviet Union. Vilnius got all the attention, but the word Užupis is a very old word meaning over beyond the river. So these people were neglected here, and so a lot of these buildings have got abandoned, and then a bunch of squatters and artists started taking over because, you know, why not? Everyone else neglected this place. So a lot of these buildings are now becoming preserved art studios. So it's a very, very nice artsy place. Very nice. And you know, I'm an artist, so I really take a liking to this sort of things. Here's a little interesting fact. There's a bunch of honorary members, and one of them, honorary citizens, and one of those honorary citizens is the Dalai himself. He became an honorary citizen of Republic of Užupis.
We're the queens of the party. Working hard, yeah, we run things. If I'm asking you any questions, say that.
Just right behind me, you'll see that there is 2 flags. There's actually multiple flags. There's a flag for each season of the Republic of Užupis. And I'll show you right over here. So right now, since it's winter, you got the blue flag out. Blue flag means winter, I'm assuming. I don't know what this sign means right here, but it looks like a drunk man. He's happy. 1 kilometer away. Oh, the CIA Užupis. CIA Užupis. Now I don't know what that little thing means, but then you got your summer. I'm assuming probably a summer color flag for the Republic of Užupis. Hopefully we can find a very good example of a flag that's out fully. But oh yeah, if you wanna, here in the city of Republic, here in the Republic of Užupis. You can just walk around freely and get drunk, and you can sit right here and drink a beer. I guess free books wasn't enough. Somebody had to break it. What happened here? I was expecting some peace in the Republic of Užupis. Okay, there's just so much like beautiful art. Since I do a lot of filming for my blog, I post a lot of the pictures on my Instagram. So if you're not following it and you're curious about all these little photos, I've been taking them and I post on my Instagram story. All right, so let me try to clear my throat. It's getting cold, and I think my throat is having a hard time handling all this cold weather. All right, so here we have the wall of the Constitution of the Republic of Užupis. So let's see. They have many languages here because here it's a very bohemian, you know, that artsy mindset, the Baha'i, where every religion is accepted. It's pretty beautiful. So let's find my language. I'm trying to find it. All right, and I'm gonna read it. All right, so the Constitution. There's 41 of them. 41 of their constitutions. This was erected in 2001. It says everyone has the right to live by the river of Vilnius, and the river Vilnius has the right to flow by everyone. I'm gonna expect, since the president Thomas is a poet, I'm gonna expect some poeticness out of this. Everyone has the right to hot water, heating in the winter, and a tiled roof. Everyone has the right to die, but this is not an obligation. Okay. Everyone has the right to make mistakes. It's true. Everyone has the right to be unique. I love it. Everyone has the right to love. Wow. Okay. Everyone has the right to not to be loved, but not necessarily. See, I'm expecting some poeticness. Let's see. Everyone has the right to be undistinguished and unknown. Everyone has the right to idle, which I think I'm kind of doing right now in my life. I'm doing a lot, and I'm trying to just chill. Everyone has the right to love and take care of the cat. What? Everyone has the right to look after the dog until one of them dies. What? A dog has the right to be a dog. Okay. A cat is not obliged to love its owner, but must help in the time of need. It's true. Cats sometimes act very independent. I almost want to believe there's something cryptic about all this in this Constitution, because some of it kind of seems a little bizarre. Everyone has the right to be in doubt, but this is not an obligation. Everyone has the right to be happy. Everyone has the right to be unhappy. Everyone has the right to be silent. Everyone has the right to have faith. No one has the right to violence, which we saw the little free library, someone broke it. Everyone has the right to appreciate their unimportantness. No one has the right to have a design on eternity. Okay. We're on 23 right now. Everyone has the right to understand. Everyone has the right to understand nothing. So it seems like there's a lot of dualities here. Everyone has the right to be of any nationality. Everyone has the right to celebrate or not celebrate their birthday. Everyone shall remember their name. Everyone may share what they possess. No one can share what they do not possess. That makes sense. Everyone has the right to have brothers, sisters, and parents. Everyone may be independent. Everyone responsible for their freedom. Everyone has the right to cry. Everyone has the right to be misunderstood. No one has the right to make another person guilty. Everyone has the right to be individuals. Everyone has the right to have no rights. Everyone has the right to not be afraid. Do not defeat. Do not fight back. Do not surrender. No, there you have it, my friends and family. A whole 3 minutes of reading the Constitution of the Republic of Užupis. Wow. Here we have an ice park for all the Ujupian kids, or the kids of Užupis. Oh man, I'm already messing up the name. Gosh. Here they'll play a very fun park. Not so Soviet too, which is good. Užupis, Republic of Užupis. Užupis. There we go. The Republic of Užupis. And here I go, try to say it again. They're not Soviet Union. They're better than that. They got a nice park. All right. And there we have it, my friends and family. The hidden, and not so hidden, Republic of Užupis. I finally found a flag that's kind of furled out. Yes, finally. Got one for you, finally. Place is a little bit of a, you know, interesting little thing. Even though it's kind of a joke, kind of not. Depends on how you want to think. It's nice to come through here. Royal Thai Honorary Consulate. They have a consulate in the Republic of Užupis. Right there. Wow. Okay, well, we'll see what else Vilnius, Lithuania has to offer in teaching us things, because this is really interesting. Little artsy stuff all over the place with all the Ujupians. Finally we can find this flag. It's right here. There's no wind going on, which is good because it's cold. But here we go. You can finally see it full.
Nice and easy. There we go.
Right there.
My thoughts, standing on the edge of my time.